Hi, morning. The cabin air filter of an Ioniq, access to it is like this. So this is the glove box here. In the glove box I have my secondary amplifier with the IR remote on top here. So it has this little thing. So this thing that you need to take out. And my little friend here is also very curious about what's going on here. And then you have a next clip here that you need to rotate. Take out, and then the access door falls down, and as you can see, that is the cabin air filter there. Okay, and it had two clips. There are two clips here. You have one clip here, and then it had another clip here. You just have to press the clip, and then the door comes out. See, two clips there. Okay, and you can see my K&N air filter inside. Yeah, so this is the K&N air filter. So all I have to do is dust it and put it back. Yep. You see, that's the place.